If your landscape paintings don't look realistic, even when you follow tutorials, this is usually why. You're starting in the wrong place. Most beginners are taught to focus on details early. They try to paint trees, leaves, textures, and little highlights right away. But that's not what makes a painting look realistic, and it's actually what causes the problem. Take a moment to pause and let that sink in, because once you shift this one habit, everything starts to change. Inside our landscape painting course, one of the first things we teach is this. Realism doesn't come from detail, it comes from structure, and once you understand that, everything starts to click. So let's walk through a simple way to approach your paintings differently. Take your time as you follow along. There's no rush. Step 1. Start with values, not details. Before you paint anything detailed, focus on just two things, your lights and your darks. Slow down here. Look at your reference or your canvas and ask yourself, where are the lightest areas? Where are the darkest areas? A helpful tip is to simplify your painting into just 3 to 5 values. You can even squint your eyes slightly to make those value shapes easier to see. If your values aren't working, no amount of detail will fix the painting. This is one of the most important ideas to remember. Step 2. Build depth first. Now let's think about distance. Ask yourself, what is far away? What is closest to me? Your background should feel light, soft, and slightly blurred. Edges should be gentle, and detail should be minimal. Your foreground, on the other hand, should feel stronger. You'll want deeper shadows, brighter highlights, and sharper edges. Take your time with this step. Even small shifts in softness and contrast can make a big difference. Step 3. Choose a focal point. This is something many beginners skip, and it's often the missing piece. If everything in your painting has equal attention, the eye doesn't know where to go. Instead, choose one area to stand out. Let that area become the focus. You can guide the viewer's eye by increasing contrast in that spot, adding sharper edges, and keeping surrounding areas softer and simpler. Give your viewers somewhere to rest. Now let's talk about why paintings still feel off. Even when your shapes and details look correct, a painting can still feel wrong if your values are too similar, if your depth isn't clear, or if everything is equally detailed. That's why adding more detail often makes things worse, not better. More detail doesn't fix structure. Structure comes first. Here's a simple shift you can try on your next painting. Before you add any detail, pause, take a step back, and ask yourself 3 simple questions. Do my values make sense? Do I see clear depth? Do I have a focal point? If the answer is no, spend a little more time adjusting those areas. Once those 3 things are working together, adding detail becomes much easier and much more effective. And this is exactly what we walk through step by step inside our landscape painting course. Not just how to follow a tutorial, but how to understand what you're doing so your paintings actually come together in a consistent and confident way. Take your time with this process. There's no need to rush your growth. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone.